Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about perfect number program in C and C++ language. So inside the main function, let's take integer variable int first n, hereafter rem, next is sum, going to initialize with 0, hereafter I. So next is write to printf function. So inside the double quotes I'm going to print the message into any number. And hereafter write a scanf function. So whatever I'm going to enter, so that received by n. So we have to write ampersand n. Now next is let's write for loop. Here I value start from 1 and the condition is I less than equal to n minus 1, and hereafter I gonna increase by 1, and inside the for loop write rem equal to n mod I, and hereafter write if statement. So if condition is rem double equal to 0, if the rem double equal to 0, then here do sum equal to sum plus I. Now let's out from for loop. Here give write one more time if statement. So here condition is sum double equal to n. If this condition is true, so that printer percent d is perfect number. Or here print n value. Next go to else part. If condition is not true, so print here percent d is not percent d is not perfect number. So let's print n value. So this is the code of perfect number in C language. So let's execute and see. So here I'm going to enter 6. So output getting 6 is perfect number. So let's enter another number. So here I'm going to enter 9. So output I'm getting 9 is not a perfect number. So let's execute one more time. Here I'm going to write 28. So 28 is a perfect number, and if you enter 26 or 24, so at here 24 is not a perfect number. So program is working correctly. Next I'm going to discuss what perfect number exactly is. So at here the definition of perfect number equal to sum of its divisor. So if I enter 6, so if I'm going to do the divisor, so 1 is the divisor of 6, next is 2, here 3. So if you do the sum of its divisor, then the value come 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 equal to 6, that's why 6 is a perfect number. Suppose if I enter number 9, so let's do the divisor. So 1 is the divisor, next is 2 is not, or 3 is the divisor. 4, 6, 7, 8 is not a divisor of 9. So if you do the sum of 1 plus 3, so at here the value come 4. So 9 double equal to 4, it's not equal. So 9 is not a perfect number. Suppose if I enter the number 24, so let's do the divisor. So 1 is the divisor, next is 2, hereafter or 3. Next 4, here 5 is not 6, 7 is not 8, 9 is not 10, is not 11, is not 12. So let's do addition of its odd divisor. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. And here 12 plus 8 or 20, 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus or 10, 30. 6. So at here 24 double equal to 36 is not equal. So 24 is not a perfect number. Suppose if I enter 28. So let's here. So at here 1 is the divisor of 28. Next is 20 or 2. Hereafter 3 is not 4. Hereafter 5 is not 6. 6 is not 7. 8 is not, 9 is not, 10 is not, 11 is not, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is the divisor of 28. So if you do this sum, so 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, or 14, 14 plus 14, 28. So 28 equal to 28. So that 28 is a perfect number. So perfect numbers are 28 and 6, and this is not a perfect number. Next I am going to discuss about the try-and method of this program. So at here, this is a code. So if you debug the code, control comes to main function. Hereafter that coincides. So at here I have taken 4 integer variable. First is n, next is rem, hereafter sum. So sum initialized to 0, and hereafter I. And here printf function, so whatever interval code that display into the output screen, and the scanf function, so whatever I am going to enter, so that received by n. So I am going to enter n value 6. Here control comes to for loop, so at here I value start from 1. Check the condition, n minus 1, so this is 5. I value 1, 1 less than equal to 5, condition is true, that coincides. So at here rem equal to n mod I. So 6 mod I value 1, so rem will come 0, so at here rem value is 0. So at here check condition if rem double equal to 0. So rem value is 0, 0 equal to 0, condition is true. So at here sum equal to sum plus I. 0 plus 1, sum is now 1. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 5, condition is true. So at here rem equal to n mod I. 6 mod 2, at here remainder come 0 again. So at here sum equal to sum plus I. 2 plus 1, the value come 3. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 3 now. Check the condition 3 equal to 5, condition is 2, so at here rem equal to n mod I. 6 mod 3, remainder come 0, 0. And here if rem equal to 0, so 0 equal to 0, condition is true. So at here sum equal to sum plus I. 3 plus 3, the value comes 6. Hereafter I value is 4 now. And check the condition 4 less than 5, condition is true, that coincides. So at here rem equal to I, n mod I. So n value is 6 and I value 4. So it divide by 1 times and remainder come 2. So at here rem is 2 now. Check the condition 2 double equal to 0. That's not true. So not coincide. Hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 5 now. Check the condition 5 equal to 5. Condition is true. So at here rem equal to n mod I. So n value is 6 and I value 5. So it divide by 1 times remainder come 1. 1 double. So at here rem value is now 1. So at here check the condition 1 double equal to 0. So that's not true. So that's not coincide. Hereafter I increase. So I is 6 now. Check the condition 6 less than 5. Condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point. So if sum value equal to n, sum value is 6, n value 6. Both are equal. So at here printf statement come. So at here n value comes to this point. So at your print n is n value is 6. 6 is a perfect number. Suppose if you enter n value 4. So n value I enter 4. So condition n minus 1. So here condition is 3. So I value start from 1. Check the condition. Rem equal to n mod I. So for mod 1, remainder comes 0. And yeah, if rem equal to 0, sum equal to sum plus I. Sum value is 0. 0 plus 1. Sum is now 1. So hereafter I gonna increase. So I is 2 now. Check the condition. 2 less than 3. Condition is 2. So at here rem equal to n mod I. For mod 2, remainder comes 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition is 2. Sum equal to sum plus I. So 2 plus 1. Sum is 3 now. Hereafter I gonna increase, so I is 4, 3. Check condition, 3 equal to 3, condition is 2, so at a rem equal to n mod I. For mod 3, remainder come 1. Remainder 1. So if rem double equal to 1, rem double equal to 0. So rem value is 1, 1 double equal to 0, condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter I increase, so I is 4 now. Check the condition, 4 less than equal to 3, condition is not true, so not coincide here. Sum equal to n. Sum value is 3 and n value 4. So 3 equal to 4, condition is not true, so that go to else part here. Printf statement, so this n4 here come. So n value I enter 4, so output come 4 is not a perfect number. And hereafter return 1, so process return 1 and next that output main function. So if you enter n value 6, the output come 6 is a perfect number. If you enter 4, then 4 is not a perfect number. So next time you should try to enter n value 28 and do the same try and method, so definitely you will get the expected output. So this is the try and method of this program, so I hope guys you understand. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video.